if your Jeep throws the warning saying service active dampening system, it's most likely connected with the SRT suspension, which is not air suspension but also full of electronics that can go bad over time. In a lot of cases, the problem is connected with the rear shocks wiring. It may rub over body parts and eventually get shorted. So these shocks will be locked in the stiffest mode and the active dampening system will not work. It's hard to locate the wiring defect, so if you suspect this, it would be nice to find a good car electrician to do the job for you. Also, if you're getting the specific codes when scanning your vehicle for the accelerator sensor fault, you should know that there are special accelerator sensors, not wheel speed sensors as many Jeep owners think, but exactly accelerator sensors mounted on the frame of your vehicle in various places depending on the model. Fortunately, they have dedicated codes, and when you are using a Stellantis compatible high-end scanner, you can easily say which sensor is malfunctioning. They are really faulty, but fortunately not that expensive and are relatively easy to replace. Also, it's worth locating the sensor in question and looking at its connectors, since they also may be broken during car repairs if your mechanic wasn't particularly careful. Also, it's worth looking at the vehicle height sensors that are located near each strut. These sensors also take part in the active dampening system and may be the culprits. Their connectors are unfortunately also known to be quite faulty. And finally, there is a special active dampening system control module that's mounted under the trim in the trunk or under the rear seat, depending on the model. If the connectors in this module are affected by water, you will have to clean them thoroughly and see if this fixes the issue. But in a lot of cases, the new module is needed. Even though there are a lot of opinions on the internet that a broken shock absorber can cause this issue, it's almost never the case. This problem is all about the electronics and is mostly connected with the wiring, sensors, or control modules that take part in the active dampening system. But unfortunately, finding the actual culprit is not always that easy.